We've certainly found it very beneficial to solidify and just be a writing team. Your first show with someone, in a lot of ways, is sort of your worst show, the worst show you're ever going to write with them, because like it's not only about writing the show, it's about like, oh, so when I use that word, that's the kind of music that I'm going to get back, or like, oh, when I, like when we have a discussion about a song before we start writing it, like what does that actually mean, and like what, and so I was actually working with a bunch of different people, and it sort of dawned on me at some point that like when we started to write our second show, suddenly everything was like really easy, and we wrote it a lot
yeah.
faster than the first one.
And I think that's a common experience for songwriters too. It's not easy to find somebody that you can communicate very well with and very effectively with, because you're both actually working so closely on a song is what, 3 minutes of glory, so you're both like trying so hard to write the best 3 minutes that you can. And I actually, BMI is really cool in this way, because I haven't worked with a lot of people, except BMI sets you up with a new writing partner every assignment for your first year. So you get sort of a sense of what it's like to try to communicate with a lot of different people. And that was a good way. It's like going on a lot of first dates. You start to learn a lot about yourself, and you just go, oh, this is what I need somebody else to be able to do, because I'm not very good at it, or I need somebody else to be able to pick up on this tendency I have to write this way, and to like that about me, rather than always be sort of fighting it,